My name is Ronnie Thomas. My role here is machine operator, making sure that tubes that come up out of the zinc pot are straight, that the covering on the tubes are good. I started in the meal department in 1994, August 22nd, as a material handler. I went from material handler to crane operator for big coils that we have here in the warehouse. Then I went from there to the shipping yard where I was the end sprayer. Then an opening came for HDG, and I moved to HDG, and I've been there ever since. I was looking for another job. I was doing security work at the time, and there was a friend of mine that worked here. And he's gone, he's passed on now. But he told me about the position. I was blessed to end up getting the job to work here. We are like a family over there. You know, we get along with each other, we help each other out, we look out for each other, and we have fun. You know, we take our jobs seriously, and we want to make sure that no one gets hurt. The product that we make here out in the world is fence posts and all types of products. You know, they can be used for wiring that's running through the grounds, maybe sprinkler system. Young people would love working here because there's a lot here that they can learn. It's more than one department that they can learn from. It's good here, they can retire from here. It's educational here, you know, and they can move up from just being a normal worker to maybe a supervisor or foreman